How does a home inspection check electrical systems? Imagine walking into a house and wondering if the electrical system is safe and up to date. During a home inspection, a detailed check of the electrical system is a key part of the process. Inspectors start with the main electrical panel, which is like the heart of the home's electrical system. They look at the amperage rating, which tells you how much electricity the system can handle. The inspector makes sure the panel is properly labeled so you know which breaker controls each circuit. They check for rust, heat marks, or any visible damage that could signal trouble. Each breaker is tested to see if it trips properly when overloaded or shorted, which helps prevent fires. Inside the panel, they also examine the busbars and lugs for signs of heat damage, indicating overloaded circuits or loose connections. Clear space around the panel is checked to ensure safe access for future work or emergencies. Grounding and bonding connections are carefully inspected to meet safety standards. If the panel hasn't been checked in over 5 years, it's especially wise to have it reviewed, since older panels might not support newer appliances or additional circuits. Moving outside the home, the inspector examines the service entrance wires that bring electricity into the house. They look for damage or deterioration and verify proper grounding and bonding at the entry point. The wires should maintain safe distances from windows, roofs, and other structures. Throughout the house, all wiring is checked for frayed or exposed wires that could cause fires or shocks. The inspector verifies that wire gauge matches the circuit's amperage, ensuring wires can safely carry the load. Conduits protecting wiring are checked for secure fastening and grounding. Junction boxes are opened to confirm they are covered, accessible, and have proper wire connections. Outlets and switches are tested for proper operation and safety. Grounding is especially checked in older homes. Outlets should not feel warm or hot, as that could mean overloading or loose connections. Reverse polarity or open neutral conditions are serious safety issues that are also checked. Lighting fixtures are inspected to ensure they are securely installed and wired correctly. Bulb wattage is verified to prevent overheating or fire hazards. Safety devices like ground fault circuit interrupters are tested in wet areas such as bathrooms and kitchens. These outlets protect against electrical shocks. Arc fault circuit interrupters are checked in bedrooms and living rooms to prevent fires. Smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms are tested to confirm they are working properly. Surge protectors and whole home surge suppression systems are examined to ensure they are installed correctly and functioning. The inspector also looks at appliances like washers, dryers, and ovens, making sure their wiring and connections are safe and properly grounded. Circuit breaker capacities are checked to confirm they can handle the total electrical load of the home. All electrical work must meet the National Electrical Code and local regulations. Inspectors verify that any electrical modifications or additions have the proper permits and inspections. They look for improper wiring, double tapping, or unsealed openings in the electrical panel, which can be hazards. To prepare for an electrical inspection, homeowners should keep the area around the electrical panel clear and accessible. List recent electrical upgrades or repairs. Make sure attics and basements are easy to access for wiring checks. Gather previous inspection reports if available. Conduct a quick walkthrough to check outlets and switches for proper operation, and look for frayed cords or damaged plugs. Keep flammable materials away from electrical devices and lights. Knowing what inspectors look for helps you spot potential issues early, making the home safer and more ready for sale or purchase.